Need to estimate your monthly loan payments before borrowing money. Windows Calculator includes a built-in loan calculator that helps you calculate monthly payments, total interest, and the overall repayment cost. In this guide, I'll show you how to calculate loan payments with Windows Calculator in 2026. First, click the Start menu, search for Calculator, and open the app. Once the app launches, open the navigation menu to access the financial calculation tools. From the navigation menu, scroll to the Financial Tools section and select Loan. This calculator helps estimate loan repayments based on the information you provide. Enter the loan amount, annual interest rate, and repayment period. Depending on your version of Windows Calculator, you may also be able to choose the payment frequency, such as monthly. After entering your loan details, Windows Calculator automatically estimates your regular payment amount. You may also see the total interest paid and the total repayment amount over the life of the loan. Try adjusting the interest rate, repayment period, or loan amount to compare different borrowing scenarios. Longer repayment terms usually reduce the monthly payment, but increase the total interest paid. Use these estimates to plan your budget before applying for a personal loan, auto loan, education loan, or other types of financing. Remember that lender fees, insurance, taxes, or other charges may increase your actual payment, and that's how to calculate loan payments with Windows Calculator in 2026. Whether you're comparing financing options or planning your monthly budget, the built-in loan calculator makes estimating repayment costs quick and convenient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.